Hey guys, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make stunning websites using the Canva's Magic Studio. From the home page, click on Websites. And from here you need to select the type of your website. There are many options to choose from. For example, if you want a website for your business, you can do that. You can make websites for your events, education, retail. So let's say I want a website for my new restaurant. So it will fall under service. So if you click here, it will open a blank page for you. And if you want to browse the templates, just come here, see this magnifying glass. Just click on it and you can browse through all the templates. So let's see if they have a template for a restaurant. Alright, I see one here. Just click on it. Alright, not bad. You can even make these posters if you want. Let's try something else. Yeah, this one I like. Alright, so I was thinking about burgers, and yeah, I got a burger template. So if you like the template, just click on customize this. Alright, so this is your editing page, and we will do all the edits from here. So first of all, let's change the name. Alright, so I've written the burger house. Let's just adjust the text. So if you want to use your own images, you can do that too. You just have to replace that image with this. Alright, so let's go down. Yeah, they have all the pictures generated. So all the images you see here is customizable. You can change it with your own images. Alright, so it has generated some content. Let's see, I've changed the name to the burger house. In here you can mention when you have started your business. So let's say I've opened mine since 2022. Alright, so if you want a different content for this, just click on it and you can use the magic write option. So that's a new feature that comes with the Magic Studio. Just click on it and then click on rewrite. Alright, there you go, it has generated. Alright, much better. So do all the necessary edits and you can head over to the next page. Alright, so all this content has generated by the Canva AI. Alright, so let's say I want to change a little bit of these. So just click on it. Let's just change this as well. Alright, so if you're not sure what really you want to write it here, just write few words and then click here and then click on Magic Write. Alright, it has generated a lot of content. Let's just make it smaller. And we don't really need to use all of this. Just make sure we delete whatever we don't want. Alright, so that's done. So in the similar way, you can edit anything you want. Let's go down. So let's say I want to replace all these images with my own. So all you have to do, just drag and drop your pictures here. Click and drag over the image. There you go. If you want to edit it, just double click on it and then you can crop this. Alright, so let's just change these as well. I really like the content written here, so I won't change anything. Let's check out the next one. Alright, from here you can put on your customer reviews. So if you have your existing customer, just take the review from them and get a picture and then you can paste it here. Let's check out the last page. Alright, so it's very minimalistic, which I was looking for. So change the name, change the address, put in your email and phone number. Alright, so if you're satisfied with the web page, just click on preview and you can see how your website will look on a browser. Alright, the burger house, delicious food for every mood. I really like that. I was actually looking for something like this and it just took me a few minutes and I changed few pictures and our website is ready. How cool was that? Alright, so if you're satisfied with the web page, just click on publish website. You can use your existing domain or you can use the free domain from Canva. Click on continue. So once you fill in all the details, just click on publish. Alright, our website is ready in just few minutes. It has generated a link for you. You can use this to view your website. And boom, there you go. That's so cool. It just took me few minutes and my entire website is ready in just few minutes. That's so cool. Alright, so do check out all the other templates. There are a lot of different styles of website for you to choose from. Alright, so that's about it for today. That was a quick tutorial on how to make websites using Canva AI. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next one.